Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the spot where collectibles come to life. From diecast muscle cars and monster trucks to unboxings and turntable showdowns, this channel is all about the coolest rides in scale. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean of Monster Jam with the 1/24 scale Megalodon monster truck. Let's check this beast out while it spins on the turntable. Just look at this design. Megalodon comes alive with that shark-inspired body. The sleek metallic blue paint has that deep-sea shimmer, and the sculpted fins and gills give it an aggressive underwater predator look. As it spins, you can't miss those monster-sized BKT tires with bone-colored rims, giving it the rugged stance you'd expect from a Monster Jam powerhouse. Check out the front. The shark nose, rows of teeth, and those dark eyes really capture that fierce, ready-to-strike vibe. On the side, we've got the bold Megalodon graphics and the official Monster Jam logo, making this truck stand out just like it does in the arena. Now look closely at the chassis. The bone-colored frame gives it that skeleton vibe, almost like you're looking at the ribs of a giant shark. And those suspension details? Even at 1/24 scale, they're solid and realistic. The black painted exhaust headers add another layer of toughness. And just to give you a sense of scale, check it out next to this 1/64 diecast car. You can really see how massive Megalodon looks in comparison, towering over it just like it does in a real Monster Jam showdown. So there you have it, the 1/24 scale Monster Jam Megalodon, a shark on wheels that's ready to tear up any arena, or in this case, your diecast display. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment about your favorite Monster Jam truck, and subscribe for more turntable showdowns right here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies. Until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.